So, this is our clubhouse. The Sycamore Club. Diyan madalas nagsiswimming si Cleona. Lalakad lang kami. Huboto doon sa isa pang playground. This is the main road. Ito si Cleona. Ito snacks. Habang naglalakad kami. Habang nagsustroll. Tuntua oh. Cleona, where's the playground? There it is. Cleona. Look, Cleona, look, that's the playground. What? Look, playground. Hi. I'll show them what you're eating. You're eating cheese curls. Galing sa Filipino store. Oh, you wanna go na? Walk muna tayo. Walk ka muna doon. Playground. Ah, walang tao ah. Careful, Cleona, okay?
Oh my God.
Ba? Slide ka? Do you wanna slide? Papasama gusto mag-slide. Slide? Say slide, please. Okay, wait lang. Cleona, in here. Cleona! Cleona, takot ka mag-slide by yourself? Here, Cleo Bear! Cleo Bear! Sweetheart! Baby! Sus, takot mag-slide. Cleona, slide here. Baby. Abot mo ba yung wheel? Wow. Whee! Baba ka na? Nako, hindi ba ko nung bumaba? Nako, dirty yan. Dirty. Say dirty. Kuya Bear, come on. Slide. Slide. Sweetheart, slide. No? You scared? You scared? Are you scared? Mommy, come here, come here. Ah, come on. Come here. Mommy's right here. Nako. Yun, gumapang na. Na, gusto mo mag-slide ulit? Hi! Say ball. Ball. Where's the light? I know, are you stuck? Come on, you can reach the ground. Come on. You stuck? Oh, see? You want to ride that one? Okay, okay. Yay! You want me to rock it? Rock. You have to hold. Ano? What's wrong, Nilo, ha? Oh, that's a fish pala. Yun pala yung... Ba? Very good! Ba? Rock, Cleanna, rock. Good job, Bo. Gusto mo mag-swing? Oh, careful. Headbangers. Swing naman? Okay. Cleanna, say ball first. Ball. What did you say? Don't eat that. Okay, come on. Peekaboo. Wow. Push. Push. Higher. Higher. Wee! Whoops! Wow! What? Wee! Say yay! Yay! Peekaboo! Ano yan? Are you looking at the sky? Do you see birds? Kuya-kuya pa oh. Diyan ka na lang ah. Upo lang ako. Diyan ka na lang. Yay! She's reading a book.
Social security check, not a problem.
Naku, sumunod dyan. Come here, baby. Cleona, stay here. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down on your chair. Come here, come here. Grabe. Cute.
Leona. Leona.
Bo, bo, bo. Hey, Cleona. Tickle, 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 daddy. Tickle.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
Bye.
Jump, jump.
Jump, jump. Tinis ng boses.
Jump, 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 jump.
Again, again.
It's amazing how much you
Ha?
Kiss, kiss.
Wow, you like pudding? Whoa, you're eating chocolate pudding. Ba? No, you can't get it that way. Use your spoon. No, use your spoon. Yummy, yummy. Oh, eat it. Come on, eat it. Yan, pampauo niya yan, yung pudding. Again. Dick Oh no! Ken, sing some more. Sing some more. Good job. Again, sing some more. Again, baby. Come on. Galing naman. Okay, sing more. Again, baby. Sing. Somewhere. Come on. Over the rainbow. Ayan, papas. What does the dog say? Very good! Clap your hands, clap your hands. Again, what does the dog say? Very good. Again, what does the dog say? Cleona. Come on, again. What does the dog say? Yay. No. What does the dog say? Woof, woof. Again. Woof, woof. Cleona. Cleo Bear. What does the dog say? Cleona. What does the dog say? Woof, woof. Very good. Again. Yay. Again. What does the dog say? Very good. Yay. Clap your hands. Yay. Good job. Cleona. Baby. Cleona.
Mamaya, you're gonna try to sales stock yung mga extra, wag ka pumayag.
Yeah. Yun, playground ni baby. Cleona. Cleona. Hi. Wow, Cleona. Cleona. Cleona, look at mommy. Oh, ano yan? Dirty. 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 Psst. Look here. Cleona. Naalis na yung necklace niya. Siya naglagay ng necklace niya eh. Yun. Come here. Oh, ayaw mo na ng necklace mo? Okay. Look, Auntie Mitch, suot na niya yung boots mo. Oh, suot mo yung necklace mo. Put your necklace on. Hindi, mali. Oh, get your necklace. Get it. Put your necklace on. Yeah. Nilagay mo dyan eh. Lo, yun. Bird. Where's the bird? Yan, alis na tayo. Suot mo. Suot mo necklace mo. Don't eat that. Nilagay mo sa... Borrow? Did you say borrow? Hi. Nadapa agad. Pero hindi siya umayak, ha?
Nakuna na yung nakadapa.
Aba. Nakuna. Aba. Yan ang gusto niya, naakit niya yung... At least hindi siya matatakot mag-slide. Kasi yung sa playground, takot siya mag-slide kasi mataas eh. Oh! Uy, kumamu naman!
Dapat Brian, merong ano doon, something para hindi mo sakit pag bumabata.
Pad. Yay! Very good! Yay! Naka-conscious. Drive ka! Drive! Ayun na.
Kaya sa BJ's?
49.
Oh? 41 lang mo? Grabe sa Philippines, mga 5,000 siya.
Original price is 69.
No, sa Philippines siya, mga 5,000 yan. May video. May stop sign pa pala.
Ah. Ang... Wow.
May parking ka na. Yan yung parking.
May key pa nga siya eh. Wow.
Ito naging gears.
Beep, beep, beep now.
Beep, beep.
Again, beep, beep, beep.
It's that there's nothing exciting going on. I've had people tell me that they think Bombers were the executive of the Gates estate, that he's a CEO looking.
Do you like your lollipop?
What are your thoughts on that?
This is her first lollipop experience.
I was just actually in San Diego and I'm meeting a
Galing school, kinuha ko.
and I was
Ba't tinan mo? Behave siya, oh.
for deal and for safe stocks and there's really no safe stock. And I think
You like lollipop, Cleona?
let's set aside the operating business for a second. There is a huge demand
Oh, careful.
from large asset managers to hold a stock like that. And I think it would have taken a huge increase in the dividend to get people
Don't put it
just what the announcement was.
anywhere, ha? Madudumihan niya. Hindi mo na pwede kainin.
A doubling, which would have taken it up to 4+%.
Mark, do you think culturally
Sakay ka sa train mo.
initiative is there on Microsoft to roll out
Ride your train.
buy a ring or do something to kind of get folks excited about it not becoming the next Dell?
You know, I read this announcement today in relation to the M&A question. I think it probably makes a big M&A less likely than more likely because it's just
Ride your train.
what they did. I think obviously they got burned with Yahoo.
Ba? Kinuha pa yung dalawa?
And they're going to
No, you can't eat that one. It's still not open.
SAP or
Just one. Eat one first, okay? And then tomorrow na yung iba. Ha? Leona, ride your train. Choo-choo! Choo-choo train.
So, the Barnes & Noble, I read your proxy, which included your investor presentation, and I gotta tell
No.
you, the numbers that you have come up with for 2014 look absolutely ridiculous to me. I think we have a chart of where they expect EBITDA to go, and it's practically a doubling by 2014, which I really think is absurd. And I'm saying, you know, Barnes & Noble, if you want shareholders to rely on these projections in order to vote, you know, with you in the proxy battle, why don't you set your management team in such a way that they don't get paid unless they reach these goals? These are ridiculous.
Oh, careful.
Using Barnes & Noble's math, I did my own assumptions. Here's what I'm going to look like in 2014 using those same assumptions. Just to be fair,
Careful.
I do want to give you a tiny bit of credit in this process. You have made some effort to clean up your insider entrenched crony board, but I do think that one of your nominees, David Logan, who I actually do know, is an excellent choice.
Wee! Good job! Naku, ang bagal mag-slide.
Come on, guys. This proxy is
Oops! Careful!
totally offensive to any shareholder who's trying to make up the It's just not offensive.
Naku, madudumihan yung lollipop mo. Why don't you just sit down and eat your lollipop?
There's no possible way that the sales of the Nook will really take off and not help. Is there a possible way? Sure. Is there a possibility that I look like that? I can't rule it out.
Ba, 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 ba. Ayan na, sugar rush. Ayan na, sugar rush. That's not your stroller. That's your doll stroller.
Covering the rabbit. Find the rock with the quilt. The zebra is spinning the yo-yo. Find the rock with the yo-yo.
Nako, yan. So, hindi ka pwede sumakay dyan. Pang doll yan. Choo-choo train. Choo-choo. Come on, ride your train. Cleona. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Come on, very good, come on. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Oh, mahulog.
Baba mo muna yung apple.
Props daw niya yan eh.
Ready? Whee! Yan, tayo. Tayo. Huwag mo.
Oo.
You're too much, Cleo.
You silly. Ah, she got a little ice cream.
Uh-huh.
You won't get that much sleep, huh? I'm gonna eat my punch. Hey,
I need those potato chips.
I'll trade you something with the Milky Way.
Gee. Oh, you gotta take three. Can you take pictures of three of them?
I did it already.
No, leave it be.
I'm watching TV.
No, just no, you're not.
I'm watching TV.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
They're clapping. She's got those little tiny fingers. Sounds good, actually. She's a jazz pianist. That's beautiful. I love it. That's so pretty.
Don't take it off.
That's so pretty.
Don't take it off.
Is it ours or someone else? No. Are you all done?
Yeah.
Good.
Get your ball. Do you prefer the yellow one? Cleona, where's the light? Very good. Cleona, where's your cheeks? Cleona, where's your cheeks? Very good. Where's your nose? Cleo Bear. Where's your nose? Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Wow, ba, naka-4 pa. Cross legs pa. Wow, you're such a lady. You're such a classy lady. Cleona, where's your cheeks? Where's your cheeks? Wow, very good. Oops, what's that? Where's your nose? Don't eat the grass, okay? Where's your nose? Where's your other ball? Get your other ball. There, Malapit na mag-fall. Sooner or later, magiging yellow na lahat. Yellow and orange. Hindi na green. Oh. No. You farted! Baby, you farted! I just said you're a classy lady. Biglang umutot. Clea Bear! Hi, baby. What's that? What's that in your hand? Show us. What are you saying? Cleona, sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Come on, sing. Wait, what's that? Oh, there's another puppy. Doggy, do you want a dog? Ah, shaky ng hands ko. Hey, Cleona. Cleona Elise. Nakaabang doon sa aso. Get your juice. Thirsty na. Kunuha yung juice niya. Get your juice. Very good. Ayun, nauhaw. Ako po, ang taas ng... No! Cleona, get your juice. Hi. Wow. Yummy. Can I drink your juice? Wow. No! Cleona. Psst. Clea Bear. Cleona. Sino ka-chat mo dyan? No. Stop pressing. Ball. Where's the ball? Wow. Who are you chatting with?
Ball.
Ball. Yes, where's your ball? Laki mo na, baby. You're so big already. Drive. Beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
Good job. Oh, flying kiss. Bye. Bye, flying kiss. Bye. Cleona, flying kiss. I'll go to your tent. Where's your tent? Where's your tent? Cleona, this is your tent. See? Here, this is your tent. Go here. Look, Cleona. Remember this when you were smaller? Huh? Your butterflies? Oh, bakit? It doesn't work anymore. Wala na atang battery. Hala, sinira mo kasi. It doesn't work. There you go. Ba't ka nakahiga? Fish? No, you can't. No fish here, okay? Mamaya, when you nap. Stand up. Sleepy ka na? Phone. Say hello.
Call from unavailable. Call from unavailable.
No, that's just a telemarketer. Mga call center sa Philippines tumatawag. Hi, baby! Cleona! Cleona! Psst! Come here! I'm gonna go in there. Cleo there. Hi! 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 Come here! Come to mommy! Yeah! Ayan na si Papa! Ayan na si Papa! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Yay! Say thank you, Papa! Yun, pumasok na dun. I see you! I see you! Peekaboo! Is that your hiding place now? Peekaboo! No, playpen mo. Ang dami mo ng laruan.
Dapat binili ko ng Black Friday din. Mas mura pa siguro.
Yung alin?
Dapat binili ko ito ng Black Friday ito.
Oo nga. Oh, naku po. Saan nagpunta?
Saan sa Papa?
Hindi dyan. Cleo, na doon ka sa entrance. Hayaan mo na nga siya mag-explore. Ay, gusto niya maglaro ng ganyan. Curl, come here. Cleona. Hello. Yay. Peekaboo. Hi. Hello. Where's Cleona? Naku po, tinutumba. Yan. Tinapon si Mouse. Ah, Cleona. Come on. Where are your lipstick? Kinain.
No.
No? Ano, balik ka na dito? Hi. Hi, Cleona. Yeah. Again, sing. Come on, sing. Wala na akong boses. Come on, Cleona, sing. Come here. Sing. Oh, ba't mo tinanggal? Come here. Let's model. Good job. Ay, nahulog. Again. Oh, no. Please say it. Oh, no. No. Oh, no. Don't look down kasi. Cleona.
She's lost, ma'am. You just look
Yeah.
We all lost her to Dora. How old is she?
She'll be 2 in 2 days.
You're
Yep.
gonna grow these sides down, right, Mom?
Yes.
She's gonna be how old? 2 in 2 days?
2 years old.
So what are you guys gonna do for this birthday since we just had all the holiday and all the craziness?
Chuck E. Cheese.
I love your pizza.
I don't know. I hear it's dangerous to Chuck E. Cheese nowadays.
Are you serious?
Yes. Remember a couple months ago, someone got shot outside Chuck E. Cheese.
Which one are you talking about?
Remember Laurel?
Oh, really?
Cleona, stay still.
Do you guys live in Laurel?
No, Bowie.
Well, I used to go to that one all the time.
Cleona.
See, I didn't go there for a long time. That's okay, Fiona. Here, hold it. When did that happen?
Wow, she likes that. She likes to do
Dad, when did that
makeup.
happen?
Oh, a couple months ago.
I just see
No,
my kids are
baby.
older now. That's okay, Fiona. Here.
Look at Dora.
Occupy both of these hands. Here. Here you go. Look.
It's okay, baby. Oh, you guys are good.
I'm surprised you guys don't keep a supply of Benadryl here.
It worked opposite on the kids when we gave it to them.
Oh,
Here,
wow,
they get more
yeah.
hyper. Look at this, Dora.
Dora. No battery.
See that? That looks a lot better in the back there. You like
Yeah,
that?
that's right. That's
Show me
fine.
there just a little bit, Mom, instead of it just hanging here, something you can push it on the
Okay.
side like that.
Sure.
Do you have any coin change? Dimes, nickels, quarters? I gave all my gifts.
I think it looks good.
Oops, sorry. Cleona, say hi. Cleona. Cleona. Hey, ba? Hindi na naman sin. Leo babe! Natuwa siya, nakita tong carousel eh. Naantok na naman. That look from her face. Naantok na naman siya. Take a bath na. Dirty Jen. You can watch Dora again after you take a bath. Come on, stand up now, stand up. It's dirty. Stand up. Ay, nako. Stand up. Ay, okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, I'm gonna turn on Dora. Hi, Dora. Dora the Explorer. Oh, take a bath muna and then you can watch Dora. Come on, take a bath first. Ay, nako. Well, you need to take a bath lalo kasi dumapa ka dyan sa rug. Okay, let's watch Dora. Come on, let's watch Dora. Dora! Oh, ayan na. Piplay ko na si Dora. I'm gonna play Dora. Okay. We're gonna play Dora pag ano na. You're done taking a bath. Okay, take a bath. Bath time. Come on, bath time. Stand up. Bath time. Come on. Stand up. Okay, take a bath. Bath time. Yay! Bath time na. Okay, ligo ka na. Let's turn off, let's take off your clothes. You understand? Uy, wow. Come on. Come on. Take a bath muna. Remove your jacket. Yay! Good girl! Oh, very good. Let's remove your jacket.